sure.
She is.
Holy moly, how did you do that, Helen?
Yeah.
You guys are all going to appreciate this when you see what she's done for us. Ooh. Lean back, y'all. Lean back. I feel a lot of tension. It's okay.
So now you can probably try to start cinching up the guided rappel rope. You'll be able to see better than I can. At what point do you start pulling me over?
Just hang it out, that's all. I weigh 148 pounds. Un momento, por favor. Whee! Is it working, Gary?
Yep.
Can you tell me yes?
Yep, it's working. Yeah, touchdown. Sweet. All right, next. So how's Buchanan treating you so far?
Oh, good. I'm happy to be here.
Excellent.
Glad I made it this far. I didn't think I was going to this morning. But I have some moral support.
Good.